what's up guys? Today we're going to Cavite in a car. Excited na ba kayo? Yay! And look, it's raining. So we're going to Skyway now. So 19 kms going to Naiyax. So we're on top of the road. It's the Skyway. Ayos na. Astig.
Hindi ano nang patay.
Abo.
May motoryo.
This is SM Santa Mesa, the place where we went last April 12, 2026. And this is the PNR over there. And that's the current Skyway or SLEX. Ha? So there's the Buendia, the one that we exited last December 2025 using the Auto PITX route. Almost there to Naiyax, guys.
Siyempre ka, nag-iisa ka lang ang puta. Sakandal ka.
Extension. And over there, this is MRT 3. And that's going to Ayala. Airplane.
D4. Go left to Cavite.
There, this is the Newport Resorts. Long road. Okay, here, this is the Naiya Airport. This is the hotel where my uncle and auntie is staying right now until late afternoon. Hello, uncle and auntie. And this is the Cavitex. Over here, Mia Road Station. And that's going to PITX in the latter over there. And that's the PITX, and we're now in Cavitex.
Straight.
So right now we're in the Cavitex, going straight until reaching Kawit. Naiyax complete. Sulit. My next jeep. First time to Cavitex in the Casio. This is Cavite, the heart of Bacoor and Lancaster. Almost to Kawit. Finally, after the Kawit, it's the Lancaster na.
Yung mga bus
Bang!
dito dumadaan.
Hello, Imus.
Uy, malalim. Hindi nakita.
Rocks.
Kita. Reklamo mo kay Joe.
Ito na ang rotonda. Well, that's it. And this is the Calypso. Okay, I'm now here na in Kuya Wi's house.